Are you planning an overseas vacation with your family and kids? While it can be an exciting and enriching experience, traveling with kids can also be stressful and challenging. To help make your next family vacation smoother and more enjoyable, here are 20 family travel tips to keep in mind. 1. Pack light. Traveling with fewer bags and less weight can make navigating airports and transportation easier. 1. Consider using packing cubes or compression bags to maximize space. For example, instead of bringing a separate suitcase for each family member, try to fit everyone's clothes in one or two larger suitcases. You can also use packing cubes or compression bags to organize your items and maximize space. 1. Research your destination. Familiarize yourself with your destination's culture, customs, and transportation options. For example, if you're traveling to Japan, it's important to know that it's considered impolite to wear shoes indoors, and that the subway and train systems can be confusing for first-time visitors. 1. Book ahead. Book flights, accommodations, and tours in advance to avoid last-minute stress and higher prices. For example, if you're planning to visit a popular tourist attraction like the Eiffel Tower in Paris, it's a good idea to book your tickets online ahead of time to avoid long lines and wait times. 1. Choose family-friendly accommodations. Look for hotels or vacation rentals that offer amenities and activities for kids. For example, some hotels offer kids' clubs, swimming pools, and playgrounds, while vacation rentals may have games or toys for kids to play with. 1. Bring snacks and water. Pack snacks and refillable water bottles to avoid expensive and unhealthy options at tourist spots. For example, instead of buying expensive snacks at the airport or tourist attractions, pack some healthy snacks like granola bars, fruit, or nuts. You can also bring refillable water bottles to stay hydrated and save money. 1. Learn some basic phrases. Knowing some basic phrases in the local language can help you communicate with locals and show respect for their culture. For example, learning how to say, hello, please, and, thank you, in the local language can go a long way in making a good impression. 1. Check for travel advisories. Make sure to check for any travel advisories or warnings for your destination before booking and traveling. For example, if there is a high risk of natural disasters or political instability in your destination, it may be best to reconsider your plans. 1. Pack sunscreen and insect repellent. Protect your family from the sun and insects. For example, if you're planning a beach vacation in the Caribbean, make sure to pack plenty of sunscreen to protect your skin from the strong sun rays. You can also bring insect repellent to protect your family from mosquitoes and other insects. 1. Bring a stroller or carrier. Keep your child comfortable and safe during sightseeing and transportation. For example, if you're planning to walk around a lot or use public transportation, a stroller or carrier can help keep your child safe and comfortable. 1. Consider local transportation options. Use local transportation like buses, trains, or bicycles to save money and experience local culture. For example, if you're traveling to Amsterdam, you can rent bicycles to explore the city like a local. 1. Research kid-friendly activities. Find activities and attractions that your kids will enjoy. For example, if you're traveling to London, you can visit the London Zoo or the Warner Bros. Harry Potter studio tour. 1. Pack appropriate clothing. Pack clothing appropriate for the weather and activities. For example, if you're traveling to Iceland in the winter, make sure to pack warm clothing like a parka, boots, and gloves. 1. Use packing checklists. Make sure you don't forget anything important by using a packing checklist. For example, you can create a checklist for each family member and check off each item as it's packed. 1. Pack a first aid kit. Be prepared for minor injuries and illnesses. For example, your first aid kit should include items like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. It's also a good idea to research local pharmacies and medical facilities at your destination in case of more serious medical issues. 1. Plan for downtime. Allow time for rest and relaxation during your trip. For example, instead of packing your itinerary with activities from morning until night, plan for some downtime to relax, nap, or enjoy a leisurely meal. 1. Bring entertainment. Keep your kids entertained during long flights or car rides. For example, you can pack tablets, books, puzzles, or games to keep your kids occupied during travel. 1. Bring a power bank. Keep your devices charged and ready to use. For example, you can bring a power bank to charge your phone, tablet, or camera while on the go. 1. Have a backup plan. Be prepared for unexpected situations like flight delays or cancellations. For example, you can research alternate transportation options or have a list of emergency contacts and accommodations. 1. Consider travel insurance. Protect your family from unexpected events like medical emergencies or trip cancellations. For example, travel insurance can cover expenses like medical bills, lost luggage, or trip cancellations due to unforeseen circumstances. 1. Embrace the unexpected. Be flexible and open to new experiences. For example, unexpected situations like getting lost or trying new foods can lead to memorable experiences and adventures. In summary, traveling with kids can be challenging, but with some planning and preparation, it can also be a rewarding and enriching experience. Use these family travel tips to make your next overseas vacation smoother, more enjoyable, and more memorable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel and vacation experiences.